Good afternoon, crafty friends. I have another design team project share for you for CraftyCity.com. And the kit that I used was the Mintay Cozy Evening kit. Now, if you love shabby chic, if you love farmhouse and you love French farmhouse, I really think you're going to love this fall themed collection that Mintay made. It's really gorgeous. The colors are stunning and the elements are absolutely vibrant and gorgeous, okay? Or shall I say embellishments, either way. Now let me get on into what I use. So I went to Dollar General and I happened to be looking over in their kitchen stuff and I saw that they had some wooden spoons. Now you get 3 for $1.75. And what I liked about these wooden spoons that were different from the Dollar Tree was that they were your typical old-fashioned wooden spoon, okay? The Dollar Tree has a wider handle, and then also their oval here kind of goes at an oval and then an angle cut, okay? So I don't know, it's up to you completely what you want to do, but I kind of like the idea of getting 3 for under $2. So, that kind of beat out Dollar Tree anyway. So let's go down into this. So first of all, I painted this whole entire spoon with apple barrel antique parchment. So if you've seen a lot of my projects recently, I've been using this and this is one of my favorite colors right now. Also, I don't know where I got this, probably Dollar Tree. This is some jute twine. I also used the Rene Bouquet's Chunky Glitter Glass. This is the diamond one. And let me open this up so you can see how beautiful that is. Shimmer, shimmer, glitter. Let me love it. Let me love it. Okay. Then also there's the Shard Glitter Glass. This one is silver pink. And let me open it up so you can see this one. Really beautiful. And for the silver shard, the pink silver shard, shall I say, I used it right here and a little bit on the pumpkin. And for the chunky glitter glass diamond, I used down here at the bottom of the spoon to give that extra bling look. Let's see. The frame right here, I painted with a mint green color and then just added the frame on top here. I did distress it a little bit with a Tim Holtz, Prima Sepia ink. The leaves were from the kit. These 2 flowers were from the kit. The only thing I would say that wasn't from the kit would be this little Destiny Tim Holtz metal embellishment right here. Also this little plastic leaf here and then this plastic carnation. Let's see, anything else? I'm pretty sure except for the twine and the spoon. I think that's it. But anyway, and these 2 little roses right here were from a previous kit that Archana sent me. So I always try to add in a little bit from other kits so that I can actually use all the stuff she sends me. So anyway, I hope you all like this. I really love this farmhouse vibe. I'm going to go a little bit closer for you. I hope that helps. I know it's a little blurry, but I don't know what else to do with this camera. Anyway, I hope you all like it. And again, this is one of Renee's Bouquet's butterflies that she had sent in a kit that we had done last month. It's a really gorgy. But anyway, I hope you all like the project. And if you make anything with this collection, please share it on Shabby Paper Hub on Facebook and also my group, Salty Beach Scrapper. So I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous week, guys. I'll see you all very soon. Bye. Oh, don't forget to visit CraftyCity.com and look under kits and you will find the Cozy Evening kit.